Hey everybody, Dr. King here with All Star Veterinary Clinic and another episode of Dr. King Says. This month is Diabetes Awareness Month, and one thing that can lead to diabetes in our veterinary patients is obesity. And one thing that can cause obesity is eating too much turkey. With it being Diabetes Awareness Month, I thought it would be a great idea to give everybody the clinical signs that we most often see when a pet is diagnosed with diabetes mellitus. Those symptoms include increased thirst, increased urination, weight loss, and sometimes increased appetite. In human medicine, diabetes mellitus is broken down into two different forms, type 1 or type 2. Or, in other words, insulin-dependent diabetics and non-insulin dependent diabetics. The first one, type 1, is where you're producing no insulin. Type 2, you might be producing some insulin, but not enough. With diabetes, you have too much sugar in your bloodstream and not enough of the hormone insulin to put the sugar into the cells for energy. Dogs have type 1 diabetes, which means they don't have any insulin to put that sugar into the cells for energy. Cats are non-insulin dependent diabetics, which means their pancreas isn't producing enough insulin. It's producing some, but not enough. Therefore, they still have too much sugar in their bloodstream, which is causing the clinical signs that we see at home. You might be wondering how we treat diabetes mellitus in our veterinary patients. For dogs, they're always going to be started on insulin therapy, and a lot of times we're using special diets to help with glycemic control throughout the day. For cats, we like to start them on insulin therapy as well. If you remember, they're non-insulin dependent diabetics, which means that they're producing just a little bit of insulin. And a small percentage of that cat population that develops diabetes, we can actually put them into remission by starting insulin therapy. If you're suspicious your pet has diabetes mellitus based on the clinical symptoms that we listed before, or your pet has recently been diagnosed with diabetes mellitus, check out the link below where we have more detailed information. Thanks everybody for watching another episode of Dr. King Says. Don't forget to check out our merch store where we've got these awesome long sleeve shirts and where we've got these amazing stocking hats. We'll see you next time.